CEO of P&O Cruises, and it is good to see you. Yeah, how about that stock rally? Why do you think there's so much confidence right now beyond, those broader economic trends that we were talking about?
Well, hi there. Good evening, Paula. Yeah, it's been a good day on the stock front. I think generally the cruise market is very buoyant at the moment. Certainly here in the UK, cruise is seeing very, very strong demand. And I think it's a number of factors here in the UK. Obviously, we've got huge disruption at the airports here in the UK, which has put lots of people's holidays in jeopardy. And of course, we have the cost of living crunch. And I think cruise has never represented better value than it does right now, given what's included in the ticket price. So we're seeing really strong demand for cruise holidays right now.
And I hear you, and yet we know about those images from the Diamond Princess, from your company. It was emblematic for so many weeks of the insidious spread of this virus. You guys have gone through all the testing regimes, all the vaccine requirements. This is not over, is it? I mean, in terms of the adversity, you guys have taken some steep losses, a lot of debt. What's the path forward here, and how many years will it take?
Well, I think that it's been a challenging couple of years, but I think we've learned a lot throughout the pandemic. I think customers now can feel very confident about cruising and having a great holiday whilst they're with us. I think it's an upward road from here. You'll see that we're seeing really strong demand right now. The fundamentals of cruise holidays are still very, very appealing to customers, and never more so in a credit crunch where people are desperate to get away on holiday but are really making sure that they have value and a guarantee of quality. So I think the cruise industry is going to grow and go from strength to strength, because the basics of what we offer is still just an incredible choice for people.
And I hear you on value, but what can be done in terms of trying to allay people's fears when it comes to things like infectious diseases? Because some of the stories, as you know, were quite worrying for anyone who even loved cruising, never mind someone who'd never tried it.
Well, yeah, so here in the UK, for example, we ask that all of our guests travel with us are fully vaccinated. And then we have lots of policies and protocols on board to keep people safe and well. And obviously, we've been sailing now for over a year. Our full fleet is back in operation for P&O Cruises. And so far, so good. Guests are enjoying their time with us, going away with confidence of what they've experienced and telling their friends that it's a great choice for the future.
Given the debt load that many cruise lines are holding, especially yours, I would say, you're really going to have to do something about that value proposition, meaning the margin has to be there. How do you guys see that long-term debt restructuring to happen, even if it is, on strong bookings? Because, of course, earnings have to be there as well. And when you've got all this adversity, it's hard to know how to really keep that in check.
Yeah, I mean, we have great economies of scale. So once we build our occupancies, as we are doing right now, we can sort of gradually grow the ticket price. I think things are working, in our favour. I think the future is very bright for the economics of the cruise industry and for Carnival and for P&O Cruises, the brand that I represent. I think that consumers will are coming back. They will pay more over time and, of course, spend on board with us as well. So I think we have a clear path into the future, and I think things are looking very strong.
Okay, cruising is back. We'll see how that slogan holds up over the months and years to come. I really appreciate you for your time today. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.